this very important day in the history of Nongtalang College, the 10th of July 2023, where the commerce stream is being inaugurated for the benefit of the student community of the Nongtalang and the area as a whole. God bless each and everybody. God bless each and every stakeholder who are moving on in this journey of service to the people through the commerce stream of this college. Thank you very much.
Kalong kasni jong ka jingsa kan mau na benta ki nongsong snong jong ka Amlaram Civil Subdivision hapo West Giant Hills District habalayo ban plie pajba no ya ka jing puli na benta ka commerce stream ka baningkong jong ka subdivision Nongtalang College hadien San Phuis nem jong ka jingyo ya ka jilla Meghalaya ka Bakura. Kajing sdang jong kajing puli ya ka commerce stream na do class 11 ha ka Nongtalang College kalong hadian laipusan snem bala depseng ya ka teka college ha ka snong Nongtalang da kajing tmu ban penjan ya ki jaka puli sha ki samla puli ha ki than ba ki shong kisa. Katay ka commerce stream balas dang menta kasngi ka shipho tarik ubanay naitung arhajar arpulay Nongtalang College kalong kabakar pang shisha na marswaban pli pajba la pendrong yaka hapo ka scheme People's College katkum ka notification kabala penmi ha ka khandai tarik kalalingkot arhajar arpulay haba ka sorkar jilla lingba ka tanat puli puthi kan siyo ya ka tulop na benta sangut kinohikay jong ka commerce stream. Kajing pendrung ya kate ka commerce stream Nongtalang College kala urlong da kajing simkhya jong UMLA kathan uma Lahkmen rumbui hakapor ba udang long umentri jong katanat puli puthi ha kajing kren jong u hadien bala odd ribbon kum kadak jong kajing puli ya ka commerce stream urambui ulaong kajing ya lenti jong ka Nongtalang College ha ki laipusan telikis nam ka urlong dailing ba kajing ya trailang jong ka governing body kinong hikay ki samla puli badbaro ki bayadan benta bat ka college. Kum kadak kajing sngongu burom ya kajing le bha jong u kum unong mi khmat sha ka yeng dorbar thauan ka governing body jong ka Nongtalang College kilapan ko burom ru ya uba Lahkmen rimbui. Ya ka jialang lapenya da u principal u Dr. R.R. Kharkangor batlayo kajing kren na uchui bare vice president GB UHL giri president governing body min lingdo wahe snong bat na u kemen merchang secretary governing body.
In the last 35 years has moved on in the right direction. This will not happen without the cooperation, without determination, without the full support of Nongtalang village government, the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and all the stakeholders. Life is a journey, and the journey is to move. Move with a purpose, and the purpose is to fulfill our duty to the best of our ability. My dear student, education now, it is very dynamic, very vibrant, and every stakeholder has to move in the right direction. We have to innovate. We have to fulfill many regulations. And I'm very proud that Nongtalang College has moved in the right direction, as I said before. And students, this is a time, it is a very critical time, where we have seen that education, it is in a transitional phase. We have seen the government of India have launched a new education policy where the degree will be a 4-year course, and each and every college will be a multidisciplinary college. I'm very happy that Nongtalang College able, in a small step, able to fulfill most of the criteria. And this is happened and it is confirmed by the non-accreditation. You know in Meghalaya how many non-accredited colleges there? Below 20. We have 80 odd colleges in the state of Meghalaya. And only about less than 20 colleges are non-accredited. And in Shillong, how many? Only few college able to fulfill. But Nongtalang College is one of that gate. And how many colleges have established before Nongtalang College in Meghalaya? Only 25 colleges, including law college and all, are established before Nongtalang College. All the 50, 60 colleges are after Nongtalang College. This why it happened? Because the farsightedness of our founding father. Some are no more with us, and some are still with us. We can never forget their contribution. So student, this is the place for you. So you are coming here to be successful. You are coming here to be somebody in the society. But it is not a very easy journey. 6 things you have to have in mind. Number 1 is hard work. Hard work is the foundation of your journey. And number 2, discipline. Hard work without discipline, you cannot do anything. Because no matter how much you do, you have to know how to disciplining of the thing you do. That's very important. Number 3, self-confidence. No matter how much you work hard, how much discipline you have, if you don't have the self-confidence, I can do it, that it will inhibit the growth of your learning process. So self-confidence is very, very important. And number 4, which is very, very important, patience. In your journey, sometimes, in spite of hard work, in spite of self-confidence, in spite of disciplining of doing everything, but result, it is not going your way. You have to have patience. That is the very, very important. And number 5 is consistency. Consistency in your thought. Now you want to come here to pursue commerce. You have to consistent in that pursuing your commerce stream or your goal, whatever may be. Consistency is a very, very important. And number 6, the last. To achieve all this, it is not very easy. It is easier said than done. But you have to sacrifice something. Sacrifice is very, very important. Because now, you are in a young age. You want to study, but there are distraction or attraction, whatever you have, you have to sacrifice something. You cannot serve. So self-sacrifice also is very, very important. And if you follow this 6 mantra, you will be successful. You will be so. Nobody could stop you and can stop you. I'm sure. So my dear student, nobody is lagging behind and nobody is inferior to anybody. Everybody have life, their vibrant life, and the life to cherish in this world. You are inferior to anybody. And you are in Nongtalang College. Don't think that, oh, we are in Nongtalang College, the rural college. No. As I said, there are only 18 non-accredited college institutions in the full state of Meghalaya as of now. And you are one of them. Not only the first cycle, you are in the second cycle. That means you are. The Nongtalang College is one of the top college in the state. And see the result in the last 10 years. I'm not talking last 5 years. The degree level result, you see, check. Compared to Nongtalang College, the result is always 75% and above. Pass percentage. I'm very happy for last year that 10% result is being achieved. You compare. Don't think that being in Nongtalang, you are in a distance. Here in Nongtalang, I'm very happy that the teachers, teaching community, they teach you as taking tuition, so to say. Because the enrollment is less. Because of the enrollment is less, the teachers know each and every student. Each one of you is being known by the teachers. And they know what is your strength. And they know what is your weakness. They can work into your strength and can help you to overcome your weakness. The relationship between the teaching community and the student in Nongtalang, it is very close compared to other colleges. So you come here, this is the one of the top college in the state. And the result speaks for itself. I'm very happy that commerce stream is being started today. And by next year, I'm sure we can start other stream. Degree of commerce. Why not? Let it be 1 student, 2 student, 3 student. Journey start from a single step. We should not shy away from taking the journey. So even a single student, no matter, we have to start. So my dear student, and now we have seen in this world, where the world is in our fingertip, internet really help you. But you should know which one to choose and which one not to choose.
Now, Lord, college building, library, terter, lembaga research scheme, nilayoru sa boys hostel, kabalak punda construction nata, ante private campus. But kibay kijing don kam jaga college akan ini sans nem di balada lembak kajiyara jong local MLA jongi. Hakan kapor nang ngawan om. Ba ladang ngim yo nong mikmat. Na kan nong ubat debit. Kumula kemerembui, ngam tharai, ngin yo, ya gini, ke ibarat ke jimentor. Kita ke college kalaya, yang pun kuburam yepi. Bat ngiskan, bagi ibarat, bat kipaten di masawan, kinsa, pertu, bat kenmau, ya di kambarak di baki pinale. Naga benta ke college.
Kajian telang inong karo kide pencetelang. Ya pene ke benta ko inong hikai kide ban perkat ha, kide ban sinuk tu ha. Nama hangne ni don lajli ki ma bersiu. Don barsinong ko ning badi bat pi inong kap dom rom jungi. Kene kede ketim jungi kam de ban tu suprang, kam de bukan bin.
Nongtalang College bahadin kilai kosan senam ki bang wilayah inti. Mentara sini niok biang saya sisien menpeli sakwe ke stream, commerce stream. Kepada kajing sarong yang ke college yang ni kipai ba yang ke Nongtalang bat yang kariwar ki borok kawai. Paralog Nongtalang College kam data yang Nongtalang ray kadi kajing sarong jong kariwar yang dia borok kawai. Iohi Nongtalang College kalong kajong pi lapit snow kung kajong pi.